This video delves into the alarming issue of paneer adulteration in India, highlighting its significance as a staple in vegetarian diets. Despite its popularity and nutritional value, a shocking 83% of tested paneer samples failed to meet quality standards, with about 40% deemed unsafe for consumption. The video discusses the factors leading to this crisis, including high demand, greed among manufacturers, and inadequate regulatory oversight. It concludes by urging consumers to educate themselves about food safety practices and advocating for stricter penalties for offenders. Paneer is a beloved ingredient in Indian cuisine, but it faces a serious problem with adulteration, making it the most adulterated food product in the country. The statistics are alarming. 83% of paneer samples tested do not meet quality standards. This has led to consumer panic, prompting many to conduct DIY tests to check for paneer purity. The situation is dire, as fake paneer is being manufactured using synthetic substances, further complicating the issue. The broader scope of food adulteration in India reveals that 25% of food samples are found to be adulterated. To combat this, consumers must approach food safety with caution and awareness. There is an urgent need for systemic changes in food safety regulations in India. Food safety should be treated with the urgency of a public health emergency, as the erosion of public trust regarding food safety in India continues to grow.